Hey there, it's Brian here, Dr. Brian. I'm a chiropractor in New South Wales, Australia, and my mission in life is to change how people see how their body works. I'm very blessed to change lives every day. Everyone leaves feeling better, and that's a great privilege, and chiropractic is a great gift to humanity. And quite sure that if we all had a good understanding of physiology, I'm not sure we'd have quite fallen for the story of the last few years. So part of each of us, our future is to take sovereignty of our body, know how it works, make great choices, in every area of our lives. And if the vehicle that we're living our life in is working optimally, then everything else is easier. Standing up in gravity wastes energy if you're not strong and stable. That leaves less for everything else. So let's find out together how the body works. I want to join here to perfect that skill of spreading the message. I'm not a bad communicator, but I'm a pretty shithouse tribe finder. I'm good face-to-face, but I want to really work out how to do this job better in the digital space so that the world is the oyster. So let's get going and have a great time. Looking forward to working with you all. Looks like a great tribe of Doug followers, all action takers, people doing good stuff. All the best.